Hey guys, this is Alex. This is the last of the locks from MantukaSNK. It is another LOB. This one is a cam lock or cabinet lock. It would normally have this thing attached to the back, but I removed it so that I could put in my pan of ice more steadily. It only turns clockwise, so that should make it more exciting. And let's see if we can open her up. I've not picked this one yet. Whoa, that was exciting. Okay, so 2 is early in the binding order and it sets very low. That's no fun at all, is it? Just to say it oversets very low. Does this fit? Of course not. Pry bar for the win. Okay. Hoping to get around that low set pin. Well, it's just not cooperating, is it? Okay, let's try super light tension, see if we get anything better. A tough little lock, eh? They seem to be binding a little higher than I would expect. There it is. All right, picked. And that's as far as she goes. So, what do we do? 4 minutes, it's not too bad. It's a little bit of patience. It's a Southward Max 023 hook. Medium hook, whatever, so I could get in there under the low pin. And so it was this guy who was probably giving me a little bit of trouble. So anyhow, there's the LOB SPP'd next to MantukaSNK for the lock. And thanks for watching. And as always, please have fun and keep it legal. Cheers.